Hi guys, I'm Jude and I'm making pizza today. Now we're gonna preheat the oven to bake 425. We're going to put the baking sheets in the oven and let them get hot. Now we're going to take my pasta cups. See, I already did some right now. Now it's time for favorite topping. Now I'm gonna spread the pizza sauce on the pizza. Now I'm gonna spread cheese on the sauce. Now my mom cut it the pepperonis in because it was dangerous because you'll cut yourself. Kids, do not ever do that, okay? Now I'm going to put pepperoni. See? Pepperoni here. I can make a smiley face. Pepperoni here. Smiley face, kids. Smiley. Smiley face, pepperoni, smiley face, smiley face, smiley face, pepperoni, smiley face. Now I'm gonna cut it in. Kids, only let your parents tell you when to cut, okay? Now you see we already have our smiley face. Now we're gonna do the hair. So a hair here, a piece of hair here. Look at his hair, it's stylish. My mom put the pizza on because the pizza was because the baking sheet was really hot. Now it's time to put it in the oven. Now I'm gonna make a pizza for my mom because she wants really healthy pizza. Put it in oil and garlic sauce. Now I'm gonna put garlic on it because I already put the oil on, so I'm going to put garlic on. Now I'm gonna put some cheese on Mommy's pizza. Now I'm gonna put Mommy's pizza and I'm gonna put Mommy's pizza in the oven, and I did something really funny, kids. I put my feet on the counter. Look at my pizza. While the pizza cooks, I'm gonna clean up the counter. Now my pizza is done and it looks delicious. Now we're gonna wait for it to cool and let it sit, and then we're gonna eat it and cut it. My mom loves super healthy pizza, so I'm gonna put some yummy salad. This is Mommy's pizza, kids. Now I'm about to cut it, which is really hard because I need Mommy. Good. And that, kids, is why I need to sit at the table. Okay, kids?